Hey, I'm Dr. Luca Martinez, and today we're going to be discovering work, power, and simple machines. So get ready! So, the definition to work... Oh, almost forgot my pants! Now that I have my pants on, we will start off this amazing video talking about work. You see, before I started being a scientist, I thought work was like something you do as an adult. You work, an activity involving mental or physical effort. But after becoming a scientist, I realized that work really isn't that at all. There's actually an exact definition. See, work in physics is the measure of energy transfer that occurs when an object is moved over a distance by an external force. Watch as I move this ball with 20 newtons of force. The ball moved about 3 meters away from me. Here's how you do the work for work. We know that the formula is W work equals F force times D distance. We also know that the ball moved 3 meters after I hit it. We also know that I hit it with 20 newtons of force. So according to this formula, we have to multiply 20 by 3. So that would equal 60. So the amount of work that the ball did was 60 Newton meters. The next thing we will be talking about is power. No, not this. But in the power in physics, power is the rate of doing work. For example, remember, the ball that I hit went 3 meters. And it went from 0 seconds to 2 seconds. So it went from 0 to 3 meters in 2 seconds. The formula to power is work over time. If you remember from the last problem, the amount of work was 60 Newton meters. So, and we know that the time is 2 seconds. So if you plug it in, we know that P equals 60 over 2. Therefore, power equals 30 watts. So finally, we're here at the end, the last topic in today's video. This is simple machines. Simple machine is quite easy, frankly, to understand. It's any of several devices with few or no moving parts that are used to modify motion and force in order to perform work, like we talked about before. The simple machines are the inclined plane, lever, wedge, axle, pulley, and screw. An example of a simple machine is a knife. A knife is a wedge. Watch as, when I cut this potato, the knife is going in. When the knife goes into the potato, the force of the knife moves this way and this way. As it cuts in, these two forces are allowing me to slice this potato. It wedges right in there. See, with the help of this nice wedge, we can now slice the potato in nice symmetrical formation and cook up supper fast for the family. This is a screw. These parts sticking out are called the thread. The in-between part of the thread is called the pitch, and this top part is the shaft. A screw is a very simple machine, and it's very useful for holding things together, pulling or pushing objects, and lifting very heavy objects, and tightening things too. This is a tong. It's also a lever, and it's a simple machine. This is the fulcrum, this is where you apply force, and this is where you produce force. Tongs can be used to get really hot things out of microwaves. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned a lot more about work, power, and simple machines. And I hope you had a lot of fun watching. Bye!